is Friday, and it's been a few days. And in fact, it's probably been a couple of weeks since I've picked up the vlogging camera. But it is what it is, life. I've had to work all of last week in the office, and of course you know that we went to California for a getaway, and then I had a weekend that was just totally swamped, and then of course there's taxes. So this is actually the first time I'm actually able to pick up the camera and say hello. Hope all is well. Hubby and I are on our way to a auction event, charity event for the Scouts here in Las Vegas. And if I'm able to, I will record some of that and see if you guys will enjoy that, hopefully. But if I'm able to, I will record some bits of that, and then I will probably follow up with you guys tomorrow morning and see what we can get ourselves into. So let's go on to the event and see what is being auctioned and what's going on there. I feel like I'm so out of the loop of vlogging now. This is what happens when you don't pick up the camera. You kind of lose your stride there. So anyways, I'll see you guys there. Also, I wanted to show you what I'm wearing today. So that's it.
Join in the unique hunting experience at the Brown Ranch. Thank you very much for Kent Brown. This does have a fair market value, right at around $3,800, and it does include $500 of travel expenses. Is that right? So it's worth at least $500, right? All right, here we go. You tell me what you want to get for it now. How much for the whole hunt? I'll take $5,000 to start.
Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. Beautiful sunny day right now. I think it's about 70 degrees. And I don't remember the last time I picked up the camera. Sorry, a lot going on here in my life and in Vegasville, so I'm getting back into the swing of things. Just gotta bear with me, gotta bear with myself. So today I am heading to a friend's home for a garden spring party, and it's a potluck, and I'm going to be taking some meatballs that I normally cook up for my husband, or when we're having like a barbecue ourselves. So I'm going to show you what that is. It's really easy. I use meatballs from Costco, and then I mix up my own little sauce, and I'll show you the ingredients just in case you guys decide to, because it's now getting warm, and we will soon be in full swing of summer festivities, and a lot of people are out cooking. So I'm actually gonna put some burgers on the grill just because it's been in the refrigerator for a little bit, and so it's ready for me and my husband to eat probably tomorrow. I may put them on the grill actually, because now it's been in the refrigerator for a few days and I need to cook them. But because I'm about to head out, maybe I'll wait till tomorrow. But anyways, here are the meatballs, and I'll show you what I put in to make the sauce. I don't use just barbecue sauce. I like to doctor up everything, as you guys all know. I love to cook and I like to try new things. And this little mixture that I do is a fan favorite. So I'll show you the meatballs. So here they are. They've been simmering for probably about an hour. So I just wanted them to be warm, just because when I get to my friend's home, I just don't want them to be like cold. So that's why I'm doing this here, and then I'll put them in a little dish, and hopefully they'll stay warm enough. I guess everybody, if they want to, they can nuke their plate. But what I use for this, and it's on a little spicy side. So I use Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Then I mix in some A1 sauce. I put in some ketchup, some Worcestershire sauce, and then I use whatever kind of like on the spicy side marinade or sauce that I have. And right now I am using this particular one, which I got from Costco. I just put it all into a bowl. I mix them all together, and then I taste it if it's to the taste that I'm looking for. So unfortunately, guys, I don't have like measurements. I just normally just mix everything together, and then I add what I think is missing. My battery is about to die, so that's about it. And so I'll see you guys at the garden party. Watching her do her magic. Hold on, let me take a picture.
Going back and forth. I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will undertake you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will undertake you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me?